What's going on, everyone? Give me a 1 2 1 2 if everything sounds good. 1 2 1 2, and we'll start rocking and rolling here, man. I've been keeping a close eye on SEI, man. This thing's about ready to go absolutely vertical. I'm keeping a very close eye on SEI. It's poised. Who do we got? We got nine people in the chat. What's going on, everybody? We got Uncle Lee, the Gap Man, Rynell Rowe, Uncle Lee again. Welcome, everybody. So, what are we doing today, guys? Anybody making money? Bitcoin hit the 1618, and then started retracing on the auto. Crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. Yeah, BTC from the bull run top to the bear market bottom, we smacked right in the 1 2 3 6 and got rejected. We got rejected hard too. This is the first time since March of 24 that we've gotten any sort of sell signals. I talked about this on the last live stream about how Bitcoin most likely will float around with that $100,000 area, and then we'll have one more large correction, probably back down to the support, and then to rally up there. And this retracement on BTC is going to make some altcoins go absolutely berserk. So people are going to start getting out of Bitcoin and back into altcoins. Horizontal line, you can kind of see that support area right here at about 72. Not saying Bitcoin's going down to 72, but there is that possibility. I mean, we are in uncharted territory. We really are in uncharted territory, and we are overbought right now. Now there's a little bit of support back here at 87, but nonetheless, that was a sell signal right there as well. If we look during the last bull run, we were briefly overbought. You know, we were briefly overbought right here after putting the new all-time high. Then we had the flash crash, and then we started going vertical. I think that's kind of the same play. You can see we went sideways for a little bit, put in a new high. We went sideways for a bit, put in a new high. Retracement back down to the prior support, which retracement back down to the prior support, and then nuclear to the upside. So I still think that's the play for BTC. I think as of right now, we've probably topped for BTC. We're going to see a little cool down phase, which is going to be good for your altcoins. Well, some altcoins, not a lot, but for some it'll be good. But that's kind of how BTC is looking, man. How's the dominance? Yeah, dominance is still retracing hard, which is awesome. Bitcoin dominance falls. That's good for your altcoins. Total two seeing a retracement. This is total market cap excluding BTC. On top of that, we have the DXY. Wow, that's awesome for crypto, guys. DXY, another sell signal with the MACD about ready to flip bearish, and the RSI falling off the table. DXY falls, that's good for crypto. It's looking like it's about ready to absolutely get destroyed to the downside. Every time we've gotten a sell signal so far, we've retraced really heavily down to around 99. It's kind of what we're looking at here. USDT, people are getting back in the stable coins, it looks like. We had this heavy period of people getting out of stable coins and back into the market, and right on cue, Bitcoin's seeing a double, or Bitcoin's starting to fall, and you got a double buy signal on the USDT dominance, and about ready to flip, and you flip bullish on the MACD. People are starting to get back into stable coins for the time being, it looks like. Yeah, back in the stable coins for safety. We'll probably go back up to around 4 or 5%. It might even go up to, yeah, we might go up to 4 or 5% and then see a retracement there, which does validate that retracement for BTC. People starting to get in the stable coins and then see a pullback from there. I wouldn't be shocked. The big thing is we need to break that 3.75% line for the USDT dominance. We need people to get out of stable coins. That's pretty much what this chart shows, is people getting out of stable coins and back into the market. When you see red on this chart, that means people are getting out of stable coins and putting their money in the market. When you see green, that means people are getting back into stable coins. Yo, we got flip coins for 5. I appreciate it, brother. How's it going? It's going well, man. It's going well. Last live stream, we actually converted all my SUI to USD, or yeah, USDC on the last live stream. I still think that we're going down to around 275 here for SUI. But I'm so bullish on SEI right now. Like I got in SEI, what, 6 days ago, and it's still running. It's like one of the only ones that are still green, and there's a lot more room for it to run. There's a lot more room for SEI to run. And on top of that, I actually got into their top meme coin too, which is from the founder of Sui, which is Sui, or no, not Sui, I mean SEI. SE, I can never, right here. Now, this is the one that I got into. This is the actual market cap, 9.6. Yeah, man. When FT or SEI runs, this coin's going to be the big winner on the SEI network, my personal opinion. And as you can see, we are seeing a slight retracement on it, or testing the prior support levels. So I mean, bounce off here, then go straight up. But realistically, man, if we look at SEI, SEI is looking amazing. Pretty much the only coin going up on out of the whole market. I mean, if you look at SEI right now, I think we're up. What are we up right now? We're up 6% today. Yeah, 6.2, only at $2.7 million market cap. This thing is most likely going, I feel like this thing's most likely going to pull a Sui. It's pretty much lagging behind it a little bit. And what I mean by that is if we overlay Sui on top of it with I think it's the same price scale. Yeah, you can kind of see the resemblance. Actually, I want the new price scale. I don't want the old one. We're gonna go here, we're gonna go same price or new price scale. You can kind of see the resemblance of Sui compared to SEI, and SEI hasn't ran yet. So get ready to rock and roll. We're gearing up for it. We're in this phase right here for SEI, which SEI, if you look at Sui, once you smashed your all-time high, you went up considerably higher. You went up another, oh shoot, are you not allowed to draw this? Yeah, you went up another 100%. I think SEI can easily hit the $10 million market cap before it starts seeing a slight retracement. If we actually look at SEI, it's at 2.7 billion. And then Sui, I think the Sui's all-time high was 10. Was it 10 billion? No, 9.5 right now. If we look at the market cap compared to max, yeah, it actually got up to a 10.6 billion dollar market cap. So I think SEI is just lagging. So definitely on that, and definitely in this one. This is on SEI, because obviously when SEI goes up to that $10 billion market cap, the meme coins on top of SEI are going to go absolutely nuclear. But in the meantime, SEI is looking good. I mean, on the day chart right here, we have some engulfing candle today, another engulfing candle today, which is awesome. We're not overbought on the RSI, seeing a slight pullback. We do have a lot of room to run to the upside as well. If we look at the WTX hasn't printed a sell signal. We're in the red here. We're in the red, but if we look at the general trend, since we put the bottom in on June 2024, it's been high, higher low, higher high. Is this a double bottom? This is barely a higher low, but it's a higher low. So realistically, you should be going up to a higher high here on the WTX, which shows bullish momentum. If we look at the fibs from, let's see, what was it? The all-time high to the most recent low, we smashed through that 382. That 382 is a pretty heavy resistance area going back to April 2024, and a pretty good support area for, you know, September, October, November. So that 382 area at about 55 cents. Keep an eye on that. 55 cents is our life support. We do not want to break below 55 cents. Our next main resistance area is up here at the 618 at about 78 cents. So I think we're free to run, at least free to run for now, up to 78 cents. And then once we get up to that 618, that's when we're really gonna have to assess the situation. But I think this thing's most likely going to see a run up to the 1618 before we start seeing some sort of heavy correction. Now, obviously, you're going to see corrections along the way, but the majority of the trends would be bullish up all the way up to, like, I think $1.75 plus. Then we can start rallying pretty dang hard from that point on. If we actually, what would the market cap be? What would the price be if the market cap was 10 million? Horrible with math, but let's see. So we're at 2.7 and we're at 65. Let's just say that'd be 65 times 3.5. What's that? 60. Yeah, that's $2.27. Yeah, $2.27 SEI for a $10 million market cap. That's way up here. That's way up here. to the moon. So overall, I'm bullish on SEI. I converted some of my USD from SUI over to SEI. Then he said FTM. FTM to the moon. Okay, FTM. 1 second. There it is, to the moon. So FTM here, we're gonna go to spot, probably Binance US dollar. Yeah, Phantom right now. Little bit of Phantom in my life. Let's see. Phantom right now on the day chart. Wow, that's a good trend reversal we got from August. If we look at the MACD did make a, yeah, we had an engulfing candle today. RSI is seeing a slight retracement, but he did put in a higher high. The WTX is still tailing to the upside. So if we drew from the all-time high price back here in 2021 to the low, our main resistance area, ooh, we're above it. Our main resistance area right now to focus on in the long term is the 236. So if we zoom in here, are we above the 236 or are we hard candle? So we have to maintain above $1. We pretty much just have to stay above $1, which is common sense in crypto, going from 2 digits to 3 digits. That $1 is such a critical support and resistance area. So for FTM, I do think that we have that chance to break above this dollar area. And once you break above that dollar area, the next contender is going to be up here at about, what is this, about $1.25, which was the prior top back here in March of 2024. So in the short term right now, we're not showing any signs of a pullback. I think we're probably going to be heading up to around $1.20, $1.25 before we see a retracement test of the dollar and then start rallying out from that point on. But overall, man, if you look at FTM's trend since the bear market bottom here, it's kind of like a giant step up pattern. You put in a high, put in a higher low, put in a higher high, put in a higher low, then what's it going to be like a higher high, so on and so forth. What is FTM's market cap? Yeah, 2.9 billion, dude. So easily doable. We just have to maintain above that dollar. We don't want to lose the dollar. Such a psychological support resistance area. If people see this go back down the 2 digits after they bought in above $1, they're going to start panicking for no reason and selling. So just got to maintain above $1 here to continue its bullish momentum on Phantom. Can you check used car? I need some. You actually have used car. Wasn't that a bear market coin? I thought used car was a bear market coin. Yeah, this came out like a year ago, bro. Are they even active still? Yes, I have it. November 11th, November 22nd. They haven't posted in a couple days. Actually used 2001 Honda Civic. What's the market cap on this? This is still holy crap. How is it a $2.2 million market cap still? That's insane. Oh, you said you need some hopium, huh? Let's try to hook up some hopium for you. Some grade A hopium or something like that. RSI. Oh, I got some hopium for you, brother. If you look at the MACD on the day chart, we're actually losing our bearish momentum. The last 4 days have been less and less bearish. So that's fantastic there. That's showing signs of a bottom finally coming in. RSI as well. RSI seems to be at a local support. If I draw a horizontal line here at the support, where we're currently at, you can see going all the way back here, this was a main area for support in June of 24, August 7th, and August 22nd right here. So right now, this does kind of look like the bottom for the time being. And then if we zoom in and look at the chart, we draw a horizontal line. Well, I'm charting his coins first Runal, because he sent me a super chat. Super chat and members get priority for charting requests. So if you want your coin charted, just send a super chat. So yeah, we actually need to stay above this current price range right now, because that was the prior resistance going back to June of 24 all the way to September 22nd of 24. So either we're going to bounce here or we're going to fall off the table. So this is actually like a do or die moment almost, surprisingly. Oh man, and then if we go to the log, yeah, you're bouncing right off the, what kind of line is that? Bouncing right off that support area right there. Gotta fix these fibs. I don't need them to extend left. Hang on one second. I need to figure something out about these fibs. Level, extend lines left, background reverse price, fib based on, yeah, there we go, log, there we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah, so either we're bouncing here or we're falling down to the 618 at about 3765, but the indicators are looking solid for a reversal from this point on. And even if we do the lifelong fib from the high to the low, same thing. And then we have to break above, you know, that 0.1, the 1 cent area. Well, there's your hopium. It does look like we're at a reversal area, at least with all the indicators for used car. But for real though, I think SCI is about ready to pop. So that's my current play right now, not financial advice. Currently in a pretty decent sized position on SCI. Yo, we got flip coins for 10. Thank you. I appreciate the super chat, brother. Thank you. Thank you. I can buy my son some snow pants now. Yeah, I mean, SEI, we just broke above the 618. I'm just going on a ramble right now. Yeah, this is looking great. I'm super excited for my SCI and that what was that, the Saiyan play? Yeah, we'll see how this plays out, and then I'm gonna flip all that. Then I'm gonna flip all the profit into Louis once SCI is done. All right. So what do we have now? I guess we will look at some Jasmine. I like looking at Jasmine charts. The Jasmine community has been very generous to me and my channel. I get, you know, about 2,000 views per video. So, oh my gosh. Hey, we're down 7.4%, but we're still above 2 cents. We're down quite a bit, but we're still above 2 cents, guys. So you gotta look at the positive. You gotta look at the positive there. We're still above $1 billion market cap. I don't really remember what I said in my last video. I hardly remember what I say half the time anyways. So let's see. What do I normally look at it on Coinbase, right? Oh. All right, let's get some lines on this screen. Let's scribble a little bit. I mean, we're actually not looking that horrible for Jasmine. It does look like we're going to see it does look like we're going to see a little bit of a retracement though. Indicators on the day chart, the MACD the last 2 days has been losing its bullish momentum. The RSI starting to fall. Oh, the RSI actually came in with a double top. Or one top, two top. M's and crypto are bearish. We don't want Jasmine to break below 2 cents. That's the key right here. So we're most likely going to be seeing a continual retracement on Jasmine right now. I don't think the retracement is complete yet. But the main area to focus on is staying above 2 cents, guys. Overall, I think Jasmine's going to do perfectly fine during the bull run. Yeah, I would keep an eye 2 cents right here. That's the 236 fib. So I'll call it now. Not financial advice, but a short on Jasmine down to 2 cents could be pretty profitable. I'll call it Jasmine to 2 cents. That's a 13% correction. Then rally out from there. But overall, man, since the downtrend that we were in from June of 2024, we still are in a trend reversal. I mean, you put in a high, higher low, higher high. This would be a higher low and then rally out of there. So I mean, like I mentioned in the last live stream, a lot of altcoins are going to be seeing a slight retracement with Bitcoin topping out, and then the altcoins are going to start seeing some big moves after that, because people are going to right now are getting out, getting into stable coins, and they're going to get out of Bitcoin, get into altcoins, and the bigger altcoins are going to run first. The bigger altcoins are going to run first. So that's kind of what I see on Jasmine, 2 cents. Omnom. The crazy thing about Omnom, I say this every time I do it, I hate charting it. I used to own 10% of the supply of this coin when it was like 200,000 market cap, and now it's at like a $22 million market cap. I'd be retired, guys. I'd be retired. That just shows you that diamond hands, that's where it's at. And even I haven't solidified my hands. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I bought somewhere in here. MACD, RSI. So I'm actually going to chart Omnom on here, and then we're going to look at it on TradingView too, because TradingView has a little bit more information. But overall, if you look at Omnom right now, we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows since September of 2024. So that's good. That is fantastic. Higher highs and higher lows. Unfortunately, we did break below the 0.5. So there is a chance that we could be retracing down to the 382 at about 6480 micro pennies, which from where we're currently at is approximately a 6% correction, which I'm not too worried about. It does look like that's a pretty good support area. So if you draw a horizontal line at the 382, and then look at the prior data, you can see that right here right here that was a resistance, right here that was a support, right here that was a resistance, and then you had a lot of price volatility around it right here. So overall, I do think that is going to hold, and then we can start rallying out from that point on. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on a 382 for Omnom. I do think we have a little bit more retracement to go. The MACD is bearish right now. We did put in a engulfing candle on the bearish MACD. The RSI seeing a retracement as well. But overall, I don't think we're going to be breaking about below this prior resistance flip support at about that 6,400 micro pennies for Omnom. And then if you look at it on the TradingView chart, the only Omnom is on MEXC, so it's not going to have all that data comparative to Dex Screener, but nonetheless, we have it on log, right? Yeah, we do. Nonetheless, if we look at the charts here on TradingView, similar situation. Obviously, MACD is the MACD. The MACD is bearish right now. We put in an engulfing candle, but it's not a super engulfing bearish candle. So it's kind of showing that the bearishness is kind of slowing down, which kind of validates that 382 retracement. And then you have the RSI sitting at pretty much a local support as well. If I draw a horizontal line here, you can kind of see the confluence or the importance of this area right here. So that's around 47%. So we're near the bottom for Omnom for a possible reversal. I mean, we did break out of the downtrend that we were in since March of 2024. Oh man, I bought my Omnom right here, and then I sold it right here. 57,000% gain I missed out on. Kick myself in the butt every day. No, not every day. It is what it is. Welcome to crypto, right? You'll always get a second chance, maybe. But overall, high to the low, actually high to the very, very low. The 786, are we currently below that? No, we're sitting right on it. So you do have a chance at the bottom's in right now for Omnom. Can you do stream? I don't even know what that is. But there's a good chance that the bottom could be in for Omnom right now. I mean, we have a Morningstar candle forming right here. You can see this candle right here where it's pretty much, it's called the Morningstar. That is indicative of a trend reversal. So I'd be keeping an eye on that 786, man. If you bounce off that, then you should be good to go. I mean, you do have the uptrend support currently as well. You can see we going off the bottom here, September 2024. We tagged it on 17th. We tagged it on the 12th of October. We tagged it here November 7th, and we just tagged it again. And it is kind of an expanding wedge forming here. So who knows, maybe the next push for Omnum's getting ready to rock and roll, and we're gonna be heading up here to the all-time high price again. Doesn't look bad. I'd pick up some Omnum at this price, but I'm not gonna pick any up because I already had some when I G'd it. So what do we have? What's going on, guys? What do we have? We have 16 people in the chat. Appreciate all the super chats, flip coins. That's awesome. What else do we have? We did Jasmine. Can you do stream exchange? I don't know what that is. You know your good portfolio when it's down 2%, when everything else is down 10. Yeah. I mean, it goes through seasons. Crypto, like the crypto bull run goes through seasons. There's certain coins during certain seasons that'll do well. And then eventually that's where the rotating play comes in. That's when you have to learn how to take some profits out and ladder down. Because obviously it's going to be the high cap. It's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, high cap, you know, top 20 coins. And then it's going to go down from there. Can you look at Elon on ETH? Dude, Elon already had a bull run. Elon already had a bull run. Elon's topped out for now. I'm assuming this is the right one, right? Yeah, I'd say Elon's top. Elon's probably not going to run to the end of the bull run. Like a lot of the other meme coins aren't going to run very hard to the end of the bull run. Which the end of the bull run is going to be, you know, September to December next year. 2025, September to December should be the end of the bull run, which, you know, that kind of validates this. Now there's June, July, August, September, October is where you peak on this downtrend. And you get consolidated, and then this will run at the end. So as of now, I think there's a lot better ones. This is kind of a get in at the end of the bull run and ride it up, and then get out of crypto completely and go either live in a basement because you're broke or go buy a Lamborghini. Moonwell killing it today. What is Moon? We did Moonwell before, didn't we? It's just called Well. Hey, look at, I don't remember charting this, but I had a green box there as the bouncing point, and it happened. It actually hit right at the bottom of my green box. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, Moonwell's actually looking really, really good. Too old for yeah, I'm too old for Lambo too. I actually posted in the Discord, I think like a month ago, I posted something similar to, you know, the off-road thing. It's kind of like a souped up. Yeah, I agree with you. That's kind of what I'd be looking for too. But yeah, this chart's looking awesome. Absolutely awesome. I mean, the MACD, like you said, after the largest bearish movement, is about ready to cross over bullish. I don't remember why I drew these lines right here, but we bounced off of it. We bounced off the bottom and we're starting to tail back up. And then the WTX is starting to tail up as well. So yeah, Moonwell's getting ready to rock and roll. I think the next stop for it's that prior all-time high price, not all-time high, the prior price, the 618 at about about 10 cents. And then once you get over 10 cents, this thing should start ripping, and you should be going up to about 20, what is that, 25 to the 786, and we'll reassess the situation. I think that upwards trend, yeah, that kind of validates that. So that's kind of what I'd be looking for. And then once you start breaking out, this thing should rock and roll. Because I think the market cap's pretty low if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's only 220 million, man. 100,000 million. Yeah, this thing could easily rip. Not a bad play, brother. Congratulations. Don't forget me when you're rich. What the hell is Elon OX69420? Is that the name? Because if that's the name, no one's going to buy that. You talking about this right here? OX69. I don't know what that is, man. There's too many Elons, man. There's only one real Elon, and that's, you know, Dogelon. The rest are just shit coins. OX694. OX. Oh, this one right here. 5.4 million. It's actually called that, Elon OX69. Yeah, this is a garbage coin. It's been out for 7 months. Okay, 7 months, $5.4 million market cap, 1 million liquidity. MACD is about ready to cross over bullish. RSI's at a local support, so who knows? Maybe it's starting to come back alive. Maybe it is. Let's see. Are they active? October 30th, 3 hours. Oh, wow. 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 8 hours ago. So they're super active on their socials, which is awesome. So yeah, that's a plus. Definitely bottom back here in September, October 2024. We put in higher highs and higher lows. Currently, the MACD is about ready to flip over bullish. The RSI does look like we are at a local bottom. If we get into the charts and start scribbling on it, let's see. Yeah, then go from the high to the low right here. Yeah, I would be keeping an eye on that 236 bounce, which is where we're currently at. That'd be putting in a higher low. So it does look like this coin is at the bottom. We're about ready to see something like that. Maybe not that fast, but overall, it does look like we're about ready to rally to the upside for this coin. So yeah, not financial advice, but it does look pretty solid for a pump to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. I just keep watching SEI because I want it to smash above that 786. Like I want to see it break above that 786. Be so it's even getting stuck at it at the 4 hour frame, which is unfortunate. 2 hour frame, it flirted with breaking it, getting stuck at it on the 2 hour, getting stuck at it on the 1 hour. Yeah, so SCI, we might be seeing a pullback back down to 60 cents. How's this look long term in the week? Oh, this week chart looks awesome. I haven't looked at this in the long term time frame yet. Yeah, this looks solid. That's the week. The month is there's not even enough data for the month. Yeah, there's not even enough data for the month. Yeah, but that's my current play. SEI, then flip SEI back into SUI. I think SCI is probably going to go to around a $10 million market cap, and then it's going to top out for a bit, in which case I'll flip it into SUI and then ride SUI up. What the heck are we listening to? Lo-fi? Chill EDM. What's that? 2 tracks. 1 second. Gotta find some non-copyrighted music that I can play. They have hype bass. It's like, which one should I play? What do you guys want to listen to? World, VHS, upbeat dance, chiptune, EDM, chill. What's chill? That's not bad. Meditation, main character, love bug, hype bass. All this looks. Oh, there we go. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. So what's actually pumping today? Is anything really pumping hard? Yeah, look at that. SCI #1 in the top 100. Top 100 coins. SCI is #1. Look at Sui's the only one that's in red right now because Sui's going down to $2.75, $2.50 before it runs. Man, this song slaps. Node AI GPU. Uh-oh. Huh. It's just called GPU, huh? Is there any, like... Yeah, it's only... Okay. So it came out July 24. Not a whole lot of data on it. Not a whole lot of data on it. As of right now, it does look a little toppy. The MACD is retracing, the RSI is retracing, the WTX is retracing. Horizontal support line right here. If we draw it, because we have a lot of confluence around this price range, you can see there's a lot of rejection off that when you're below it. You had support when you were above it. We're currently at that right now at about that 95 to $1 range. So we really, really, really need to get back above $1. We do not want to fall below 95 cents, which where we're currently at. If you fall below 95 cents, you're going to end up falling back down into this pit of despair. If we did see a retracement, we'll go off fibs. I love fibs. Yeah, if we happen to fall below 95, we're probably heading down to the 618 at 85 cents. So you're on life support here. You know, people say buy fear, sell greed. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. Yo, we got Overcone for 5. Jasmine long-term prediction. I appreciate the super chat. Thank you so much. You know what? I haven't gone on my rant about Jasmine in a long time. Maybe I'll do that. I'm so old. I've been around since before Jasmine came out. I remember when Jasmine came out. So everyone, okay, we're gonna start this off a little bit bearish and then we'll end the Jasmine with bullish. I need to get the rant off my chest because there's probably quite a few people in here who are in Jasmine who weren't either in crypto back here or don't really know what happened back here. So Jasmine launched October 2021. I remember that it was such a, you know, hyped launch for the coin. Obviously it launched, went to the moon, went all the way up to, well, this is the whole chart. 1 second. It went all the way up to like, I think it was like 230 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think this is the one we got to use. Yeah, it blasted all the way up to $5.40. Jasmine did. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news. There's a really good chance you'll never see that price again. And I'm gonna tell you guys why. I know they're the only what are they? The only regulated coin in China or Japan or something like that. But back here during the all-time high price when it came out, there was only 230 million coins in circulation. There was only 230 million coins in circulation when it first came out. And the reason that I don't own any Jasmine, and the reason why I will never own Jasmine, which I think Jasmine's going to perform exceptionally well. I think it's a good coin for crypto investors. I just have my own personal bias against it. Is during the launch right here, there was 230 million, right? And what happened after that, you had your run up, you had your consolidation from January to May of 2021. What happened after that is there was an unscheduled unlock of the coin, and it went from 230 million coins in circulation to I think it was 25 billion coins in circulation in like 2 days. So what happened was the Jasmine team just unlocked half the supply in a 2 days time frame, which meant that all the investors right here got screwed. They got screwed. They were left holding the bags. And that's one reason that I won't own Jasmine. I don't like how the team sort of, I'll say it, the team kind of rugged it at the beginning. They got the initial pump, and then they put a shit ton of coins in circulation and rugged it. But overall, it is a long-term project. They are a legit team. It's just the early investors got screwed hard, very hard. So that's a little bit of the rant about Jasmine. I was out during this time. Trust me, it was a dark time for Jasmine holders. Unfortunately, I wasn't one of those people. But in the short term right now, we'll get to the short term rant over. Short term overall, the chart's looking solid. The chart is looking good. I did go over Jasmine a little bit earlier in the live stream, talking about the retracement that we're most likely going to be seeing. There's a good chance that we're probably going back down to around 2 cents here for Jasmine in the time being, which is very unfortunate, but nonetheless, that 2 cents range is the 236, but the indicators are just a little hot. The last 2 days, you've been losing your bullish momentum on the MACD. The RSI does show a double top that came in, which I mentioned. M's are bearish in crypto and W's are bullish, so it does look like a 1 top 2 top. Usually what happens is 1 top 2 top, drop top. And then on top of that, the WTX is starting to see a retracement. Now, overall, the overall momentum since we broke out from the downtrend here on November 5th is bullish. It's bullish. So obviously you're not going to go straight up forever. You can see we put in a low here, higher high, higher low, higher high. There's a chance we could cut down here to 2 cents and put in a higher low and then start rallying out, which I wouldn't be too surprised of if that's the case. So in the meantime, we're keeping an eye on this 382 support, which we're sitting on right now. We're sitting on it, guys. We haven't broken it yet. We're sitting on it at 2.3? Yeah, 2.3. But if we break below 2.3, I wouldn't be surprised if Jasmine went back down to 2, put in a higher low, and then started rallying up to a higher high after that point. Overall, realistically, if I had to put a price range on Jasmine during the bull run, now I know during my videos, the video captions, dollar Jasmine during the bull run and everything like that, which is, I don't want to say unrealistic, but it's technically speaking, it is doable. There is a 786 all the way up there at $1.06. But if I had to put like a solid guess at the price range for Jasmine, if I was holding Jasmine, I would start taking profit at about 25 to 30 cents. And then as it went up from there, I'd start taking more profit aggressively. I think Jasmine is most likely going up here. And the reason why I don't think it's going to be smashed to the all-time high price is there's billions and billions and billions of coins in circulation now. Not saying that's a bad thing, but remember, there was only 230 million coins in circulation back here. So the amount of buying power to reobtain the all-time high price for Jasmine is exponentially more than what it was right here. Not saying impossible, but Jasmine's gonna have to make some insane partnerships and moves in order to get back up to that all-time high price, especially with a $50 million market cap. are 50 million coins in circulation. I think that's it. I think they have 50 million coins in 50 billion coins in circulation. Yeah, 100,000 million billion. It's a lot of coins. And another thing to kind of validate that, to prove my rant was kind of correct, is if we look at the market cap during the prior all-time high price, which was right here, you know, November 2021, we were at a $1.25 billion market cap when we were at that $4. What was that? $4? Yeah. When we were above $4, Jasmine was at a $1 billion market cap. Look at, we're at a $1 billion market cap. We're at a higher market cap now than we were at our prior all-time high price, and we're only at 2 cents. See, we hit a $2 billion market cap here on January 7th. And if you look at the price is all the way down here. So that's how you can compare market cap to price. It just means there's a lot more coins in circulation. We're a higher market cap now. We've been in a higher market cap since March 8th of 2024. Comparative to what we were at the $4 range. You get what I'm saying? So at a $1 billion market cap back here, we're at $4. We're above that right now. We're at 2 cents. So that's kind of what I'm getting at there. There's a lot more coins in circulation, so it's going to be a lot harder to reobtain our all-time high price. But overall, I do think 25 to 30 cents is a reasonable prediction. 25 to 35, the 618. I think that's definitely doable. I appreciate the super chat. All right, all right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what are we charting next? What are we charting? Walia and ETH, next big narrative. Walia and ETH, that does not sound like a bullish coin whatsoever. Emotional support, alligator, Wally. Been out for 6 days. Yeah, good luck. GG. But realistically, man, not financial advice. SEI and the meme coins on top of SEI are the short-term play. SEI is going up to a $10 million market cap. I'm calling it $10 million market cap by the end of 2025. So that's what I'm in right now. SEI is going to go to the moon. I'm going to get out of SEI and back into SUI. Yeah, man. It's the chart does not lie. That's the plan. SEI, then we got a bag of Saiyan, which I think Saiyan's actually available on MEXC. I didn't buy it on MEXC. I bought it on the DEX. Yeah, this looks good as long as we stay above that. Oh yeah. Fantastic. So what else is running? What do we see? What do we see? A lot of coins are down, a lot of coins are up. Oof. Bitcoin down 4.6 at 90. Ethereum's down. Oh, that Phantom overtook SEI, so Phantom's now up 8.3. SEI is only up 5.8. Sui's up 5.4. Sui's going to 275. That's my thing. I'm gonna ride SEI up and then flip it into Sui. That's the plan, anyways. First Digital USD down, die down. These are all stable coins. Mantra. Oh, I've never heard of this coin before. Theta's not doing bad. Cosmos sucks. Adara sucks. AVAX. Caspa. right. So what are we looking at? You know what we haven't looked at in a while is how's baby Pepe doing? Oh man. I mean, not for nothing. I mean, not for nothing, man. We're pretty much at ground zero. So if you're a believer and you want to invest in some shit coins right now, $333. Man, I remember when this was at a multi-million-dollar market cap. Yeah, it looks like the end of November before we start seeing a breakout on this thing. I don't know. The chart looks manipulated to me, if you ask. Oh, la, la. What do we got? Suku from April. SUKU. Hey, not bad. You're above the 236. Currently working your way back up to 382. Yeah, you were down below that for a while. Wow. Indicators right now. MACD did make another engulfing candle today, so that's bullish. RSI is tailing up. WTX is tailing up. So overall, the long-term chart, long-term fib's bullish. Short-term fib from the high to the low. I'd be keeping an eye on. Looks like 13 cents. I think that's gonna be the next resistance. We'll probably go back down here to the 382 at 7.6 and then work our way up to 13 cents from that point on. I mean, the four hour, yeah, I would say the 4 hour, it looks like, yeah, the 4 hour is kind of calling that retracement as well. The 4 hour, we're already bearish on the MACD. We got a sell signal on the RSI flashing red and a double top saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit. And we got a sell signal here on the WTX. So I think in the meantime, Suku's probably going back down to the 382 at about 7.5. And then that's going to be our support bounce there. And then we can start rallying up higher from that point on. But this does look like the reversal area right here. So keep an eye on that. I'm going to be slightly bearish on it in the short term, but then overall, I think we're bouncing at 7.5 and then starting to push up. TIMI. I'm guessing that's a garbage coin. TIMI. Timmy, this is my iguana 4 months ago. $1 billion market cap. Yeah, I mean, this actually looks bearish to me. Short term looks bearish. Put on log. So if we draw from this high to this low right here, and then we're going to zoom in a little bit. I think what's going to be happening here for Timmy is we'll probably go back down to the 382 to test the prior resistance as support, and then we can start rallying off from that point on. I think this will probably be the play, something like this, and then you can start pushing up from there. So in the short term, I'm going to be bearish. Indicators are bearish right now, and they're starting to see a retracement. So I would say approximately a, yikes, 40% correction before we start rallying up from that point on. That is if we break below the 0.5, which it's kind of looking like we will. Nico says KDA. Data. Brutal. And I haven't done CATA in a while. Wow, since the beginning of 2024. Wow, this thing's been ripping since November 5th. Am I on X? Yes, I'm on X. All my socials should be in the description. I don't post a lot on X though, just letting you know. Yeah, engulfing candle today. We have the RSI tailing up as well. We also had, oh wow, we're deep in the red. We're deep in the red here. Haven't printed a sell signal yet. So what are we looking at here? We're below the 618. So we are below the 618. I think in the meantime, CATA most likely has topped out. We're probably going to see a retracement back down to the 0.5 here, and then a rally from that point on. So I wouldn't be shocked if CATA did have, or I don't know what this is CATA. This is KDA, right? Yeah, a 9% correction back down to the 0.5, then a push up from that point on. And then if you extend it to the high here, similar situation. You're getting rejected off that dollar range, and then you have a 382 at about 80 cents. So I think we're just seeing some sort of retracement and a bounce up, which is bullish overall. You still continue your bullish momentum, putting in higher highs and higher lows. It's just people hate going down to those higher lows. You know, car guy, 5.3 billion well coins. I won't forget about you, bro. Maybe you can have me on live stream showing my account blowing up since March of this year. There we go, brother. Yes, at least somebody's making money here in crypto. At least one of us is. One of us is gonna make it. And I don't know if it's gonna be me, but you look like you're on the fast track to it. So. Oh my goodness gracious. But yeah, so we're gonna keep the live stream kind of short today, guys. So I am gonna be ending the live stream now. I do have some things to do, so we kept it kind of short. We covered quite a bit of stuff. I really do appreciate all the super chats from you guys. You know, it really does help me out, you know, continually doing what I'm doing, and you know, being on YouTube. And you know, I do have my own project on the side. I'm not shilling it here. It's not time to shill yet, but I do have my own project. And if you're interested in it, I do have the descriptions in, or the links in, not the description here, but if you look at other videos of mine, look in the descriptions. I do have a project that I did create and I am pushing. But as of right now, we're not quite pushing it yet. We're waiting for the utilities to come out, and then we're gonna send it to the moon. But overall, I appreciate everybody tuning into the live stream. I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the subs, everything, guys. We are going to be doing more live streams, and we are going to be posting more videos. The bull runs here. Just have those diamond hands, have your conviction plays. Don't be dumb. Get your coins off exchanges, get them into wallets. Trust me, get coins off exchanges in the wallets. That's the biggest thing. If there's one thing you take away from this live stream, just get your coins off exchanges and into a Ledger wallet or a MetaMask wallet or something. Every time the bull run has topped out, exchanges go under, people lose coins, funds get locked. Just don't keep your coins on exchanges, guys. Not your seed phrase, not your coins, okay? So I'm going to end the live stream with that. I appreciate everybody, and I'll catch you guys in the next time in the live stream of Trading Crypto. Peace out.